Hi, and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps website. This is a quick tutorial to show you how to apply a discount code or gift card during the checkout process. We're on the home page of the Whimsy Stamps website. I've already added an item to my cart, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the cart and open that up. Now, once you have all of your items in your cart and you're in your shopping cart, you're going to see all of these items. You're going to go ahead and click checkout. Once on the checkout page, if you're not logged into your account just yet, you can go ahead and click right here where it says log in and log into your account. It'll bring you right back to this page. It should show all of your information there conveniently. And then on the right side of the screen, you're going to see the items that you have in your shopping cart. You're going to want to check to make sure your quantities are correct. And then right beneath your items in your shopping cart, there's a box and it says gift card or discount code. So you'll click inside the box and type your discount code. Now, once you start to type the discount code, you're going to notice that this goes from a gray to a solid red. We're going to click apply with that. Once you hit apply, you want to come down and make sure that the deductions are reflected in your total. You should see on the left side, either it says gift card or discount code, and then on the right side, you should see where the deductions are, and then that deduction should be reflected in the total. Now, if for some reason you type in your gift card or your discount code and it says invalid, make sure that all the characters are entered correctly. Otherwise, it won't work. You also want to make sure that you are in fact using a Whimsy Stamps gift card or Whimsy Stamps discount code when you're doing this. Once you've entered the correct information and hit applied, you're ready to check out. Go ahead, click continue to shipping, and then click on through to continue to payment and then check out. So we hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Please know how much we appreciate you, and until next time, take care.